Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate feedback collection with Typeform, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin automating feedback collection with Typeform, visit the Typeform website and create an account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, click on the Create Typeform button to start a new project. Select a template that suits your feedback needs, or opt for a blank form if you prefer to build from scratch. Begin by adding your introductory question to set the context for your respondents. Utilize various question types like multiple choice, rating, and open-ended to gather comprehensive feedback. Make sure to phrase each question clearly to avoid confusion among the respondents. After you've added your questions, utilize the logic jump feature to create a personalized flow based on user responses. This allows you to direct respondents to relevant follow-up questions, ensuring a more tailored feedback experience. Once your questions are set, move on to the Design tab to customize the look and feel of your Typeform. Choose colors, fonts, and images that align with your brand for a cohesive presentation. Now, navigate to the Settings tab to configure essential options such as response collection and notification settings. Enable email notifications so you receive alerts each time someone submits feedback. Next, integrate your Typeform with email marketing or project management tools for automated workflow. Use the integrations feature to connect with platforms like MailChimp or Slack for seamless data handling. After setting up integrations, preview your Typeform to ensure everything works as intended. Adjust any elements that may need refining before making your Typeform live. Once satisfied, click on the Share button to generate a link for your feedback form. Distribute the link through preferred channels such as email, social media, or your website to reach your audience. Monitor feedback responses by revisiting the Typeform dashboard where you can analyze data in real time. Utilize Typeform's analytics tools to gain insights into respondent behavior and identify trends. Lastly, regularly review and iterate on your form based on the feedback collected to continually improve your process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.